Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate Snapchat account. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Once it will be opened, then on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon. And then tap on this gear icon to go to Settings. Now scroll down, and here is the option, Help Center, tap on it. And in the search bar, search for Delete My Account. Then tap on this option to log into Snapchat Accounts portal. Once you log in, here is the option Delete My Account. Tap on it. Now scroll down, enter your username or password, and then tap on Continue. And as you can see, my account was deactivated successfully. And after 30 days, my account was deleted permanently. So, it was the way in which you can deactivate your Snapchat account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.